Starting a business can be a thrilling journey filled with challenges, opportunities, and questions. One of the common questions our organization hears is, do you need a business license to get a seller's permit? Before we get to the answer, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now let's dive into it. Do you need a business license to get a seller's permit? The short answer is no. They are two distinct legal requirements. A business license is essentially permission from a city or county to operate a business in that jurisdiction. It's an acknowledgement that your business meets the local requirements and regulations. On the other hand, a seller's permit, also known as a resale permit in some states, allows businesses to collect sales tax from customers. It's specifically for businesses that sell tangible goods. Now, let's throw in some statistics to give you a better understanding. 7 in 10 businesses in the United States are required to obtain a business license by their local municipality. This emphasizes the prevalence and importance of ensuring you have the right permissions in place. Meanwhile, in states with sales tax, which is 45 out of the 50 states, any business selling tangible goods will need a seller's permit. It's also worth noting that some businesses might need both a business license and a seller's permit. For example, if you're opening a boutique in a city, you'd likely need permission to operate from the city and a permit to collect sales tax from your customers. Understanding the legal requirements can seem daunting, but you're not in this alone. Welcome to legalregistration.com. Whether you need a business license, a seller's permit, or guidance on any other business-related legal matter, we are standing by, ready to support you every step of the way. If you're in a hurry without time to browse our website, simply pick up the phone and call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what type of business are you considering starting? Drop a comment below and let us know about your exciting plans for the future. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.